Hi, this is Muhammad Ramadan from NinjaSec team. In this video, we will talk about tactical post-exploitation techniques in Unix and Linux environments. Okay. Once we hacked a system, we can try this command to find associating applications with listening ports. netstate-a and b. Let's try this command here. netstate-a and b. Can find here all open ports and the services. Here, the service here, and the open port. Can view here also. Can see here this is our IP, local IP address, and the port. And you can see it is a service called MSF RPCD listening on this port 5553. Okay, you can see another service called SSHD for secure shell daemon listen on this port 22. Okay, and can see also here Postgres database listening on this port. Okay, gaining situational awareness in Unix and Linux. Identify currently running processes. We can type ps-ef. It will display all running processes and the process IDs like BIDs, executable buses, and options used to start executable. Okay, many other options, but this will display everything. Let's try this one. BS. Can type BS only without anything. Can find here a summary, but we can type clear and BS-EF. You can find here all processes and process ID, PID, and user ID here. And also you can find BBID and some other informations here like process name and many detailed like the path of the application and the executable file here. Okay, we can also identify programs or services that are started at boot. Okay, can type this command ls/etc/init.d displays a listing of startup scripts like Windows startup programs. Let's type this ls/ can clear get ls/etc/init.d can find here all services that is being running at startup like GSSD and OpenVPN and many other services here. Okay, we can also find who is logged in. We can type who displays user currently logged in or logged into the terminal. Just who. Can see here root. We have also another command called last, also displays last login and reboot history. Last. Can see here many history here, boot here, and reboot and many other information. Find which user you are. We can type who am I, displays your username. Let's type this one. Who am I? I am root. Okay. Find system information like kernel, architecture, etc. Can type uname-a. Uname-a. You can find here Linux, PT, kernel version, and many other interesting information like this is architecture 64-bit. Here is a output of who and last command. Display environment variables may have interesting information about the user. Can type env. It will show all variable environment variable. Let's type env. Here is many results here. Can get information about the target environment here. Okay, We can also identify local users and groups. We can type cat/etc/passwd display all local users on system. File is readable by anyone, okay, not just root. Okay, let's type this command cat/etc/passwd. You can see here all users in the system, okay, and any user can type this command, okay. cat/etc/group display all local groups on system. Let's type this command cat/etc/group. Here you can find all groups on this system, okay. Here is displaying information variables here, and you can view here that shell, bus, and user is root, and many other information. Here is the output of cat/etc/passwd and group command here. We also can identifying other computers on the network. We can type cat/etc/resolve.conf, display the DNS server information. Let's type this command here. Clear cat/etc/resolve.conf. Can find here the name server or DNS server here. Also can type cat/etc/hosts display hosts that have been manually added. Let's type this command and see cat/etc/hosts. You can find here that metafedora.com is manually added and assigned to this IP, okay, and this two and this two, okay, cool. Interacting with Unix file system, gathering information through the file system. Can type ls, it will list all files and directories in a directory. -L option show in permissions and properties. -A option will show hidden files. Let's type this command here, ls. Can find here all files in this directory. Can view your current directory by typing pwd and you are in /root, okay. You can also type ls-la to find all properties of each file, and also view hidden files like this one. This is a hidden file. You can see it's starting with dot here, and this two and two, and this one too. You can find here permissions and who owns this and the group of this file, and many interesting information here, okay. Can also type cd, it changes directories. Let's type this command. We are in /root, okay. As you can see, we want to change directory to cd/, and we are in /. I want to change directory to cd/etc, and you can see we are in this one, okay. Very cool command here, like Windows cd. List contents of file or output of commands. Cat display all contents of files, non-interactive, only display and exit, okay. More display contents one screen at time, interactive. And list provides ability to move up and down output, interactive too. Let's try these three commands here. cd/root, ls, and I want to display this file, say foo.asp. I will type cat foo.asp, and you can see here all the contents of this file in one time and no interactive, just view and exit, okay. Let's type more foo.asp. Here is one screen, here is more 0. Let's type enter and you can go up and down. You can hit this space bar your keyboard. You can go to the file. We are reading all the file and we can exit here, okay. You can also type less foo.asp, and you can see here the file, you can read it, interactive. You can go up using up arrow on your keyboard, and you can go down. You can go up and down very fast by typing in your keyboard the right arrow and shift arrow here, or you can press space and we are in end, and you can press Q to exit this. Okay, can also type find path dash name string, search file system for a string. Okay, let's type this command. I want to find something in this directory, then dash name, and the string will be PHP, and you can find here this file contains this string name. Okay, grep, then string, then file, search for string in file. Okay, also we have this command grep string can be used to search for string in command output. Okay, let's try this command, grep then string then file, grep, then the string we want to find in a file chr, and file called foo.asp, and hit enter. You can find here that all char string is being dumped here and extracted from this file and shown to us. Okay, you can also try this command, grep then string. We can type net state dash -anb. Okay, but we are interested only in finding Java. Okay, string called Java. You can type here net state dash -anb, then grep Java only, and you can see we can find here only Java, not all processes name and all other name. Okay, we can type grep, say sshd. I can see here only sshd. Okay, you can type in string you want, and if it didn't found in the command output, it will show nothing. It found it will show you the result here. Okay, you can also try touch, create a 0-byte file, so it will create an empty file. Let's try this command here, touch my.txt, and you can see created a file called my.txt. Let's view it, cat my.txt, and you can't see anything here, so it's 0 or empty file. Okay, let's try man, then command provides manual or help or information for a specific command. Let's want to find manual or man here for command called touch. Here it is user comments here, and you can see here the name touch, change file timestamps, and you can see here all interesting information about this command here. Okay, you can press Q to exit the screen. Let's type man in map. You can see all information about how to use nmap here, very detailed information. Okay, you can press Q to exit. Okay, cool. Privilege escalation in Unix. Privilege escalation in Unix is generally much more of a manual process than Windows, at least with MetaOperator's Git system. Okay, in Windows, if you hacked a PC and you want to escalate your privilege, you can type git system and you can be a system. Okay, but in Linux there is no command called git system, or there is no a way to make this process. They are some third-party scripts that automate this process. It will start to download all Linux kernel exploits and try to execute every exploit, and to see if anyone works on the system. Okay, so you need to download a specific exploit from internet and compile it using gcc command, or you can find a sh or python script that will automate this process. Okay, verbal escalation exploits will have to be custom compiled for a specific OS and the kernel version. Okay, if you find 2.6.31 exploit will different from 2.6.29, so it will not work for both versions of kernel. Okay, check past revisions or review vulnerability scans to determine what the system is vulnerable to. Okay, check batches in Solaris, show rev-b. Check batches in Debian system, dpackage-list. Let's type this command here, dpackage-list. Here is all Debian package here. Here is smb client and many informations. Okay, as you can see, we can't see all information outputted to us. We can save this here. Let's type clear first. We can type dpackage-list, then save this output information to a file called dd.txt. Okay, let's type more dd.txt, and you can see here all information, and you can press spacebar to view all information you want. Okay, cool. Also a command called rpm-qa check batches in rpm based systems. We want to find SUID shell scripts. SUID scripts are often written to give root level access to a program, can sometimes be broken out of when invoked or passed input to perform an intended action. Can also use find /berm plus 6000-print to list all files with a SUID bitset. Okay, let's view or take a look at password cracking in Unix. The same principle and often tools used to crack Windows passwords are applicable to Unix passwords as well. Hashes are different and passwords are generally salted. Only dictionary and the brute force attacks are viable. Okay, Unix hashes tend to have larger key size, so can be much harder to brute force. Okay, first you will copy /etc/shadow file from host if you have root privilege, then type join file name to begin cracking or password cracking. You can see here is output should look similar to below. Okay, let's take a look here at Armitage. We want to exploit our target here with Samba, type Samba, and we will use this exploit multi-Samba user map script and specify our target. Okay, and click launch. You can view join the river here, and okay, we exploit our target. Let's type which join. Here is the join the river executable path. We can also type locate join to find, locate join, find join in every location. Here you can see that there is a bus here, CD, then bus. ls, here is, you can see John the River program location here. You can type here John dot slash John to use the John in this directory, in slash pentest slash password slash John, then slash etc slash shadow. Now it will try to crack, and crack it with success. Here cracked root password and found it is tour. Okay, you can hit enter to view the progress of cracking other usernames and passwords. Let's take a look at our target here. You can, after exploiting this target, right click and click interact to get interactive command shell. Type ID and your root, user ID root, and the group ID is root. Type u name -a. You can find more information about this Linux distribution called Metasploitable, and it is Linux, and a kernel version, and many interesting version here information. Type environment variables. You can also go to slash etc and list all files in this directory. Okay, let's upload. We can upload anything we want. Say we want to upload let's say index.html. I will specify it here and click open. Let's say find if we already uploaded it, ls, then grep index.html, and you can see it is successfully uploaded to the directory we are in. Okay, you can view current directory, it is e/etc. Okay, you can change directory to /root. You can see here's the only one file, but you can also view ls-la to find all hidden files here. Found some hidden files. You can also view bash history to view all history of bash underscore history, all command that is being typed before here. Okay, we can also see post modules here, like DNS brute force, DNS reverse lookup, like env, this command we typed here before. Let's try this, and the same output here. Okay, we can also find say SSH credentials. Click launch, and now searching and checking for every directory and every path for SSH credentials until it will find one and download it for us. Now found 5 here, 6, and we'll save it.